好，如果你有麦克风，可以请你们讲话大声一点。开始。
Hello, we are friends. Today we want to tell you about the extreme climate change in China. Find the YouTube house. The trends are typhoons, landslides, drought, extremely hot summer, and extremely warm winter.
敬礼 ，Thank you。再来。停，他们还在吵。大声。
The frequency of typhoons has increased by 20% in Taiwan. Typhoons and drought have been at Please see the picture and like the video. Thank you.
Strong winds continue to lash Taiwan's southern coast as local authorities start cleanup work around affected areas in the aftermath of Typhoon Kebayoran. Workers can be seen moving some fallen trees and repairing power lines along the southeastern coast. Local residents say they have been without power since late Wednesday evening. Officials in Taiwan say one person has died due to the severe storm. More than 300 people have been injured. Kebayoran, a Category 4 typhoon, made landfall early Thursday morning there with winds of up to 252 kilometers an hour. The system is expected to weaken as it heads towards China.
我们现在还在等，因为昨天晚上大概11点，晚上就停电了。然后今天我们还在等，就是等那个台电公司来维修这样。那什么时候修好，那个就看他们公司怎么处理。目前是那个树有倒下来，树枝有断掉，它有一些树有倒下来。这样啊，如果是土石流的话，是雨要下得很大的话，才会有那个土石滑落的现象。那个雨要很大才会这样。目前是风比较大。
横翠半岛这边台风也算常有啦，但是这个台风真的太大了，而且它的。
不够。你们的麦克风在那一颗视讯镜头上面，需要大声一点。开始。
Hello, we are
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Hey, you can hear us, right?
We are well.
We can hear teacher's voice, but not the students. Probably students could use mic, I guess.
Okay, so I will let you speak loud.
Right. Thank you.
太小声了。来，你们这组站起来。 好，来，从你讲开始。
Hello, we are full three. More in mountains area compared to the year 2000. We have seen a big increase in the frequency of landslides. On an average, we see about 32,000 landslides per year. Landslide can cause traffic to stop and bridge cut off from the big city. Thank you.
Collapsed roads, downed electrical lines, a gas station buried in a landslide. This is Renai Township, a mainly indigenous area in the mountains of central Taiwan. On Friday, it was hit by torrential rain brought about by Typhoon Kanun. What followed was intense flooding and landslides that have left at least 1 dead and 1 missing. Meanwhile, more than 400 people in central Nantou County and Kaohsiung in the south are stranded. Taiwan's government sent out search and rescue teams over the weekend. The National Fire Agency says that while efforts are ongoing, everyone with severe medical issues has been evacuated. They are also using helicopters to reach more remote areas.
在空中救援的部分，我们今天本来预划是7架次，那目前执行了3架次。目前预测的物资是800公斤，然后协助出空民众是总共44位。
Local volunteer groups have also mobilized, sourcing donations and other supplies for those in need.
奶粉，然后还有小朋友的尿布跟大人的尿布。目前有些部落是缺电、缺水，所以大部分的话应该就是干粮啊、泡面啊、罐头啊这种，就是不需要去煮。还有那个水，就是民生用水，所以就是也蛮缺矿泉水的。
For now, the focus is on rescue and relief, but it's unclear how long it will take to rebuild connections to some of Taiwan's most remote and vulnerable communities, and how to prevent disasters like this from happening again. Devin.
Hello, we are Group 4. Hello, we are Group 4. We want to show you some pictures of drought in Taiwan. From the year 2000 to now, the number of drought has increased. Please see the chart on the slide. Drought can be major challenges for our farmers and fishermen. Last year, we had a very serious drought in Taiwan. Drought can also affect the production of electricity. Thank you for listening. Hello everyone, we are Group 5. Let's talk about the weather trip. Since the year 200, the increase in the frequency of extremely hot summer days is very large, with extremely high temperature. Many people would have helped and also affect the fruits. People also won't need to use more electricity. Taiwan grapples with extremely weather changing climate pattern. Please watch the video. Thank you.
At the COP28 Climate Summit, the World Meteorological Organization declared 2023 as the hottest year on record. By the end of October, the global average temperature has surged by 1.4 degrees Celsius from pre-industrial levels. In Taiwan, this upward temperature trend is evident. Reports from the Taiwan Meteorological Agency indicate a rise of 0.29 degrees Celsius per decade in Taiwan, surpassing the global average of 0.21 degrees. This trend has particularly impacted Taiwan's winter seasons.
We can see that the overall color palette is predominantly warm, leaning towards warmer conditions. The warmest year among them was during the winter of 2018 to 2019, when the temperature reached an average of 20.5 degrees.
The winter of 2019, compared to the 1991 to 2020 average of 18.7 degrees Celsius, experienced a significant 1.8 degree increase.
Even now, it's already early December, and it feels like only the northern part is slightly cooler. During the day, the central and southern regions are still quite warm. In situations like this, where there is a significant difference every other year, it may become more common in the future. The cold air from the north either doesn't move south, or when it does, it can be quite intense.
The El Niño phenomenon in 2023, which typically recurs every 5 to 7 years, has led to a notably warmer winter in Taiwan. Additionally, temperature records from Taipei Station show a consistent decrease in the frequency of cold fronts. Urban development in limited spaces has significantly contributed to the notable local warming in Taiwan.
Island nations, due to their limited land, face challenges such as population growth and tourism, leading to increased exploitation of mountains and forests. Observers note that summers in Taiwan are lengthening while winters are shortening. Some predictions even suggest that by 2050 or 2060, Taiwan might no longer experience winter.
Forecasts by the Central Weather Administration suggest more extreme weather patterns for Taiwan, drier dry seasons and wetter wet seasons, with increased extreme rainfall during the plum rain season and longer dry spells. Taiwan is bracing for these significant climate challenges in the years ahead. 谢丹慈、钟德荣、罗世鹏、黄其厚 TVBS World Taiwan.
We are Group 6, continue the same topic with Group 5. Comparing to the year 2000, the frequency of extremely warm winters has increased quite a bit. Extremely warm winters can have negative effects on our ecosystem. Thank you.
Okay, so right now we finished our presentation. So right now it's your turn to do the presentation. Okay.
Okay. All right, we're gonna start to introduce our students first. Probably start from
Okay.
Sydney. Sorry. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Introduce. Hello everyone, my name is Sydney. Hello everyone, my name is Ataya. Ni hao, hello. My name is Alila. Hello everyone, my name is Queen.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Zita. My name is Alea. Hello everyone, my name is Hi everyone, my name is Zara. Hi
Nice
everyone.
to meet you.
Hi everyone, my name is Maru. Hi everyone, my name is Kailan.
Hi everyone, my name is Gavin.
And we are going to give you a presentation about climate change.
Okay. 印尼那边的气候变迁。
Okay, you may check.
You're gonna make us what?
Oh, this is a translation.
You could move to.
So after your presentation, we need like 1 more minute to do the translation for the kids. Okay? Okay.
Okay. Siap, siap, siap belum apa. Harus ngasih mereka semenit buat.
Oh yeah.
We have 5 topics here today. With regarding climate change.
And that are the first, what is climate change? The second, how to prevent it. The third, what are the effects of climate change? The fourth, what are climate change in Jakarta? And number 5, conclusions.
Okay.
他会讲5个重点，第一个什么是气候变化，然后我们要预防措施，然后他会讲到他的手机，他们就在讲他们雅加达气候变化是怎么样，然后最后他有个结论。
Okay, continue.
Climate change refers to long-term changes in temperature and weather patterns. This shift may be natural, but since the 1800s, human activity has been the main driver of climate change, especially with the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas, which produces heat-trapping gases. A global crisis requiring immediate attention.
Okay. Is that all you have?
Yeah.
Okay. Probably you need to translate.
Ini lagi di translate tapi di
Oh, okay.
Okay, you can continue.
Okay.
Now the prevention. How to prevent the climate change? First of all, we need to reducing the use of motorized vehicles in the agricultural sector. We can also prevent the negative consequence of climate change, such as speeding up planting, saving water, or using organic fertilizer. Save water usage, use lights and electricity wisely, apply the 3R concept, which is reduce, reuse, recycle, use pollution-free vehicles, and others. Thank you.
Translate dulu mas. Translate dulu.
Okay, you can continue.
Okay, so the third one, the effects of climate change. There are 7 impacts. Climate change is the single biggest health threat facing humanity. Climate impacts are already harming health through air pollution, disease, extreme water events, forced displacement, pressure on mental health, and increased hunger and poor nutrition in places where people cannot grow or find sufficient food.
Ya, jangan digeser.
Okay, so you can continue.
Okay. Now is climate in Jakarta. More than 10 million Jakartans went through a suffocating 2023 as they gasped for healthy air amid the worsen the worsening air pollution in the capital. Residents and society groups have urged the government to work seriously on coordinated efforts to prevent more pollutions from dirtying up the city. With a recent win for a citizen lawsuit on Jakarta's air pollution, a good place to start.
Want to add your experience? How do
Your
you feel?
In Jakarta, like, yeah, it's really bad for like the air, yeah, pollutions.
Get any like healthy
Kasihnya dadakan, aku nggak bisa.
Dengan lagi dulu. Nanti next apa?
Next.
Drought.
Sure.
Gak tahu bu. Masih translate ya?
Itu udah.
Yang minus. Ini nanti boleh.
Okay, you can continue.
Continue.
You may continue.
Okay.
So, in this year, Earth has recorded the hottest 12-month streak in Jakarta and Tangerang. In here, we feel that it's really hot and it really rarely rains, even though it's in the rainy season. If it doesn't rain, if it rains, it's really heavy.
And if it doesn't?
And if it doesn't, it's really hot.
To protect yourself.
To protect yourself from the hot season, you have to use sunscreen and umbrella. Oh, and also drink a lot of water. Thank you.
Okay, you can continue. Please open your microphone. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. At Jakarta, now is also there's rainy seasons now, and so many flood happens in Jakarta because of the first trash everywhere, and then deforestation also makes flood. Uh, yes, last month, two teenagers died of electric shock in a flooded area in Semarang. The victim is thought to have been electrocuted by a cable that was cut and entered the flooded area. Thank you.
Okay, you can continue. Okay.
And I would like to add that how how to how to protect yourself from the rainy seasons was use umbrella, drink like hot tea, uh, and and use jacket and stay safe.
对，要带雨伞，然后因为有时候还是会被淋湿，所以要防止感冒。他说要多喝点热茶，他们预防感冒的方法。
Okay, continue.
Okay, I'll continue. The conclusion is, in conclusion, climate change is the most significant problem facing the world. Global warming is increasing day by day. If we cannot prevent it as soon as possible, our world will face undesirable consequences. Climate change is the significant variation of average weather conditions becoming, for example, warmer, wetter, or drier over several decades or longer. It is the longer term trend that differentiates climate change from natural weather variability. That's all we can say. We apologize if. Oh, masih translating.
Okay, you can continue.
That's all we can say. We apologize. We apologize if there are any wrong words or inappropriate treatment. I hope this presentation can be understood. Thank you for attention. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your wonderful presentation to us. Thank you very much. You did a very good effort. Okay. Okay. So.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So right now I want to show you my students use the camera. 所以现在我一点组的把镜头带过去。OK。
Alright, to the students.
Alright, so group one, 你要挥挥手。OK, say hello. Group one. Look at the camera. Group one. 转过去，转过去不是在前面。Group one. Okay, so right now group two. Group two. Okay. 为什么有人戴太阳眼镜？Group three. Group 3, stay here, say hello. Okay, group 3. And group 4. Group 4. Oh, group 4.
Cheerful.
Okay. And group 5. Group 5. Okay. Group 5, look up. 那你们可能要过去一点哦。Group 5看不到。Okay. Group 6.
Hello, group
Group
6.
6. Okay. And group 1. Group 1. Group 1. Face the camera. Camera. 在上面。Okay. Okay, group 2. Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye, group 2.
Bye.
Bye. Group 3. Group 3. Group 3. Okay, this is your last one. Okay, group 4. Okay,
Bad boy again.
group 5. Group 5.
Oh, hello again.
Okay, group 6.
What's up?
Wow, dancing.
Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you. So we will continue to paint the mural. Okay?
All right. See you
All
in
right, bye. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bye bye. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Bye bye. New Year.
Hello.
Okay, okay.
Okay. All right, guys.